guys, how's it going today? Well, I got a little different project today that I'm working on. What I'm going to do is I've got these steps that have basically treated lumber on them, and what I'm going to do is I've stained underneath the face on the risers, so I've got the risers all stained. And so what I got to do is take these banisters off on both sides, take the cover off of this, pull the cap off of it, put a strap, a ratchet strap on both sides here, hooked a ratchet strap together and tightened it down so that I'm hoping that it'll stay together. So as we get going here, we'll get this taken care of. I had to get, these are 13 feet across, and wouldn't you know it, there is no 14-foot Trex or composite lumber or composite material, so I had to go to the local Home Depot and got these. And these are 16 foot. And I can tell you right now, one thing about this, when you transport these babies, I had to put them on my equipment trailer to get them here since they're so long. But one thing you got to be aware of, I had these things strapped down last night so tight that you couldn't move it from side to side. Slippery as a greased pig at a county fair, if you ever been in try to catch the greased pig. But these center boards would move back and forth. They would just slide back and forth. Even when I was getting them on the cart last night at Home Depot, they kept sliding off the cart. Put another small piece of lumber on top and strap it down so that you get tight against that. Or you can take a piece of rubber, like from an inner tube, and put underneath the layers, and that would keep them from sliding back and forth.
You're on your way.
Well, we ran into a little situation, or one heck of a problem. As you can see how this 6x, they ran a bolt through the outside, and as you can see, look how that bolt goes. It goes down. So they didn't seal it with any silicone or anything on the outside before they put that washer on there. So that bolt ran right down, so any water went right down that bolt into this, so it tore. So I'm going to have to go get a new 6x6. Now, I'm not going to put a bolt in it like they did, but oh, there was 2 bolts there. So, but anyway, I got to get that replaced, and then I got to come over here and I got to, looks like I might have to replace that outside stringer for steps, and see about that, because that's custom cut. So I don't know whether I can find one that will redo that, or I might be able to scab something in there and meet my needs with it. I might be able, we'll play with it and see, but that's where we are right now. So I gotta finish getting these steps off and looking at everything, checking it out, and make sure everything else is okay, and then we'll go from there. But that's where we are right now. I've taken out the old stringer, got me a 2x12, so I'm going to outline that old stringer. Don't have to worry about figuring out what it is. I've taken it out from over here. As you can see, I took one of the riser boards off and was able to get back up underneath there, so I'll be able to cut this other one out and get it stuck back in there. And now I'm cutting out this 2x8 piece right down here on the ground, and I'll take it out and then I'll put a new piece in there. So we'll get back to you here in just a little bit.
Oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up in boom 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 boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Ain't a ding dong. Plans would come true. Ain't a ding dong. Spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Yeah. Ain't a you up in boom, 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 boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Oh, 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 life could be a dream. And I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life.
Lag bolts in this side over here, so she ain't going nowhere. She's good and level. I got these boards cut around the post, so now all I have to do is measure and cut, measuring and cut. To get it done, but anytime you have a worthwhile project, it does take a little while longer. Of course, the heat this week hadn't been fun. It sort of wears you down real fast, but appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and get out and do something.